Okay, so a few days ago, me and the wife bought this 28-foot Thompson boat. We're gonna do some work on it. It needs a little bit of flooring work. Cabin area, it's pretty good. It's got its power in the cabin area. Question is, will it run? So we're not hooked up to water right now. So, guy said it would not start with the key switch. So we're gonna try to jump the solenoid and try to fire it up that way. It is a 350, Vortec 350 in it. So let's give her a test hit and see what happens. Motor runs. Good deal. That's all we want to know now. Needs a little deck work. Other than that, it's pretty good shape. We can live with the rest of it. Whew. Hard to believe the leather's in this good a shape. Alright. Alright. So that's it. We're good deal.